So yesterday I posted this video about Trinidad and Tobago's link with Africa, and we got some interesting comments. So at the end of this video, we'll be going through them. So I was wondering which country should I choose today, because this book full of country like from Guyana to Switzerland. But when I see my country, I say, yo, bingo, Jamaica. So we're going straight to page 100. Or so I thought. It was actually page 96. And like I said in yesterday's video, Jamaica Independence Day is the 6th of August. Trinidad and Tobago's Independence Day is the 31st of August. Same year, same month, different day. So we have the great Queen Nanny of the Maroons and Marcus Messiah Garvey. They will be in part 2. Jamaica is an ethnically diverse country, which is reflected in the motto, out of many one people. That said, Jamaicans of African descent make up over 90% of the country's population. The earliest inhabitants of Jamaica were the indigenous Wedware, Tainos, and Arawak peoples. Enslaved Africans were first brought to Jamaica by the Spanish, who colonized the island in 1494, and subsequently the British, who colonized Jamaica in 1655. Pause a minute. This book is not just about slavery. It's about knowing where you're from, knowing your culture. I have noticed that a lot of people don't know that Caribbeans are actually Africans, and we as a people need to do better too and look to Africa as our home. A trade route emerged called the Triangular Trade, whereby enslaved people were trafficked from Africa to the Caribbean. They in turn produced sugar, molasses, and rum, which was exported to England for sale. The money made financed the return to Africa to trade more slaves. Jamaica at one time was considered the crown jewel of the British Empire, and at the peak of production in 1805, Jamaica produced over 100,000 tons of sugar. Jamaica gained its independence from the British in 1962 when the Jamaica Independence Act was passed, though it remains part of the British Commonwealth, and British monarch Queen Elizabeth II remains the head of state. Father! Yo, independence is a joke, may I tell you. Alright, we'll leave it there for today and read the rest in part 2. Nomish said we will win the war. Or Shadi said fire emoji. Yashaya is King says separating from the Commonwealth and claiming African heritage sends you guys back to the Stone Ages. So I said, could you explain what you mean exactly? Himself, 1. A lot of Caribbeans are black Shemites, not black Hamites, like the Africans. 2. Most Caribbeans were sent there as indentured servants, not slaves like the Africans. Simply means that he believes the Caribbeans are not Africans. 3. Claiming independence severs ties along with all the benefits from the crown of our forefathers and the rest. So I ask him, what are the differences between Shemites and Hamites? And I'm also interested to learn more because I believe all people they say are black are actually African. Can I just think about it?